My name is Shubham and today we will discuss the topic is array list in Java, and today's date is 29 February 2024. So let's discuss the topic is what is array list in Java. Array list is a class which implement list interface and it is present in java.util package. The array list has some features. Array list is a growable in size, that is, the underlying data structure of the array list is a growable array or resizable array. Second one is array list follow the insertion order. It means in which order we insert the element, that's order we get the element. Third one is array list doesn't follow the sorting order. Fourth one, we can insert the multiple null values into the array list. There is no restrictions of insertion of multiple null values into the array list. Next one is, in array list we can insert the multiple homogeneous and heterogeneous value. There is no restrictions of only inserting homogeneous value. We can insert the heterogeneous value into the array list. So array list has basically three constructors. First one is array list equal to new array list. In this case, initially 10 buckets will be created, and when the capacity of array list is reached into the size, then the size of new array list is calculated by the capacity of old array list into the 3 by 2 plus 1. Next one is array list equal to new array list, and we give the initial capacity. This constructor is basically used to if you want to declare the capacity of the array list at initially or according to user's need. So we can give the capacity to the array list. Next one is, if we want to copy the elements of the one array list to the another, then we use the array list equal to new array list, and we pass the collection C, that is another collection, into the constructors of parentheses of the constructors. So these are the three constructors of the array list. Next one is array list implement the clonable and serializable interface. For serializable interface, for hold the objects and transfer the object from one array list to the another array list. And array list also implement the random access interface. If we have multiple frequent operations of the read, then array list is a best choice. So we can access the element into the array list very efficiently. And if we want to add the element into the array list, then it is a very bad choice of the array list, because for adding the element into the array list we have to shifted element of this size. So next one is, let's discuss the some methods of the array list. To insert the element into array list, we use the add method. And to remove the all elements from the array list, we use the clear method. Next one is, if we want to delete the element of the specific element, then we use the remove method. So these are the some methods of the array list. Next, we discuss the difference between array and array list. Array is a fixed in size, whereas array list is a growable or resizable in size. Next one is a array support the primitive data types, whereas array list doesn't support the primitive data types. It uses the wrapper classes. Next one is, in array there is a length method to define the or to get the size of the array, whereas in array list there is a size method which get the number of elements present in the array list.